Pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil.
Right now is we put it in there, change it, is a problem, right? Like I said.
Oh, it's undercut.
So
tissue.
undercut, so tissue, we have to over.
Yeah, we'd have to overlap. So you can see the problem here is the screw is going to be sticking out. So no matter what, the abutment has to come out a little further. So it's going to be sitting on the tissue because that's exactly where the implant is. Like the implant's almost at implant level. Yeah, that's kind of.
The problem is aesthetic. That's the main thing. So we're going to make here with the coping ridge, and then we're going to cover with the ridge with the pink porcelain.
Okay.
Okay. I like this contour, just bring it here a little bit to make more, especially this panic. Then we're going to make a little bit more inside, just like that. So I like the narrow, but the facial contour is the same, just slightly out. Okay. However, the lingual contour will be smaller. Is okay. Here's a lack of room, so we can discuss with that one. That one's nice. Let's see this contour. Nice anatomy. Nice. That one. We have to make thin as possible that area, right? So we can add it here. Okay, there's lack of room too, right? Okay, so we'll see. Now we change it. Here. Take the load. Alright, now the emergency profile, the contour. Okay. Change this a little bit. Now proportion, okay, it was okay. So a little decrease it, a little bit out. Alright, slightly up. That's good. Now canine, you see the high? I like that. See that can get good. One more canine up. Like this, right? Move it. Okay, move it. Like this. Occlusion. Curve over speed. So this one slightly higher, so you can down. Nice. So it makes it good. Curve over speed and listen. Nice. So like I said, decrease it. Increase the lateral. I like the size of the tooth. Contour. That's good. Just like this, same thing. Okay, slightly shorter. Alright. Here's a too long, so make it higher. Okay. That one's too long, just cut it. Oh no, some little bit. Because if I make too long, I don't want to get the interference between the movement. Okay, this is fine. So we can move to the lateral. I like that. Okay. Okay, so now the good proportion of the tooth, we can make a little feedback. Slightly make out the vocal halfway. Okay, so we can make the little thinner. So trying to bring it in the major corner like this here, both nice, even. Okay, see slightly out, so make slightly out. Okay, bring it in, go out. Okay, I like the alignment, right? Like this, that's good. Same thing too. Good. Here. Whenever I see that one, this, let's bring it in. Nice. K9. Okay, alignment. Bring it in. Okay, bring it in. Nice. Okay, good. Here too. Okay. Now pretty good. Okay, so only things we can cut it a little bit, interfere, just a little bit up, a little bit up, a little bit up. Good.
See, which one is closer? It's definitely not that one. That's too light, right? So somewhere in between those two, you see that?
Why?
Look to the other side. There you go. See, somewhere in between those two is the shade that you want. If you go too light, you're gonna be able to see the difference right away, and you're gonna know that they're fake teeth. If
Right,
you go
now,
too dark,
the other side,
if you
this is
go too
much-
dark, it's gonna look unhealthy. So you gotta find the shade that's in between those two.
Beautiful.
Do you understand that?
Cool.
That's how I choose.
So here, tell me about the story. Nice temporary, beautiful stem. So I really like the inside edge position. And then, so this one, right? Sorry, can you change this? Thank you. That was a challenge. Anyway, the full mouse case, the lower. Can you bite gently? Slightly open? Ah, alright. Bite? Any question? Okay, so full mouth case. I think I can raise more the bulker cusp to make the curve of SB and Wilson compared to here horizontally. And remember you and I videotape about the full mouth wax up design, so I can change this. I really do. What do you think about the shape and color? How about this color?
I like the.
You like
one
color? The other color.
Yeah,
Perfect.
the three I think it was.
Okay, so we're going to do with the pink like this, huh? So this is my developing, but I did not finish it. I know a lot of people ask me, but I did not make it yet. This is my prototype new shade guide. We're going to make new prototype because I'm going to patent pen them. So the reason I show them because this is really going to change it. This is a whole frame, everything. But this is more my prototype. My question to you, the color. Now you can see a little bit more detail. So, what do you think?
Now much,
Oh.
too much.
Too much, good. Nice. How about this?
I think also it's too a little bit less.
A little bit, okay. Now here,
I think we're starting to talk,
starting to
Right.
talk. All right. So now WS3.
and that
I
one.
don't know why
think
just people like this. Is Dr. John Varga same thing? This one.
everybody likes that. You see, I have to.
How about this?
That one is the one I think. Do you think that one is like there? You
It's
think?
your teeth.
No, but I just don't. I can't see very well.
All
though.
right. What can I say? You have to see. It's important.
But for guy,
Okay.
I think this one.
Okay.
Yeah,
so,
right?
In between those two,
Yeah.
I think.
In between teeth. Okay, good. So now,
Yeah.
one more time I ask you, can you take a look at it closely? Too bright for you?
Yeah.
You don't like too bright?
No.
Okay.
That
So-
one I like. Yeah, I think that one is.
You like this, huh?
Yeah.
With some kind of little consistency, right? So, he knows all high-end work,
Okay.
which just makes me crazy. Okay? This is a little bit more simple
Uh-huh.
compared to what we fabricated. You understand that, right? So I'm going to follow this direction exactly. You know, see translucency, right? Like that. Interesting, huh? I'm going to put a little bit more, but you know, she like this, that we can stick with this is much better. Because it's our character, temporary is kind of nice tam, so slightly dark. This is too bright, so this is a better. How about this? Just thinking. He doesn't like it.
I think this one is her.
All right, that's good. So now we choose this. Okay. Right. And so can you change here? Yeah, I like this. You got it? That's perfect. So, hold on. Can you take a look at it? So we're going to put some.
How can I look?
Because I'm-
You're like the dentist. You tell me. Do you, what do you think?
because I'm
yeah,
idiot.
yeah,
That's
yeah.
why. Look at yeah, okay. Okay. All right. I like the color. That's cool. So we're going to utilize this pink color here. That one is white. We cannot do much about it.
That's how it is.
But I really like your pink tone color. Yeah, can you see? All right, pink is good. So PT3, this is our internal product. We're going to launch it next year, spring. That's good.
You'd want to make sure that that you can start off the gingival with a WS4, okay? And mid-tooth, you can go to a WS3 and get a nice translucency at the end. And try to get some warmth coming out of the dentin. That's the real way to get you something really aesthetic. Otherwise, if it's all one flat color, that smells fake. So you need that transition, and you need to mimic a natural tooth.
That's the real aesthetic.
That's the real way
That's
to
the
do
real
this.
aesthetic.
Okay?
All right, cool. Thanks for the chart.
You see that right there?
Yep.
So if we can get somewhere in between those two, that's a good color.
Right, can you make slow down a little bit? Shade slow down all the way inside your 1/3. Nice. Perfect. Cool. Now, okay, Joe. So now we took the color of the tooth. Alright, this is the finals, the full mouth cases with all zirconium subtle layer, especially inside your 1/3, the internal stain involved. Remember, so we had a little bit issue here, trying to get the nice ones as we design it. And we allotted. Here's a little bit issue, so we just cut it, bringing in as much as possible to implant. Anyway, so this is the lower. Okay, this is the finals. And this is the veneers. This is almost monolithic due to the strength. Okay, the veneers, right? Remember, this is zirconia veneers, so we made a really sophisticated, pack underneath. And then we're going to anodize outside. Finish this. So this is the finals. Full mouth restorations is on the way. So we're trying to make the patients happy. And then here's this bulk corridor contours. It's more individually. Okay, that's good. This is the final. Thank you.
Pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil.